Welcome to SEO Time Machines, the world's first operating system for your browser. I'm Dimitri, the creator, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Google Places Scraper, which is a part of our local SEO tools, and I believe it's one of the most important ones if you want to do any kind of competitor intelligence on your market. I think you will find this is the most versatile tool that exists because it allows you to really finely tune exactly which Google Places you scrape. It allows you to do the products, the services, the question, the Q&As, as well as the reviews, and can be used as a lead scraper by enriching the results with emails, Facebook, any kind of social media contact information that is available on the page. So the way it works is once you're on here, this is a separate little tool that just shows me which results are sponsored. I like to have it just as a visual reminder rather than having to look for these links. That's something that you can turn on as well. But to turn this on is just simply launching the toolbar and pressing the Open Extractor module. Now, what makes this unique is that you can very specifically target exactly which businesses you want to have results for. So if you just want to do the first 5 businesses but exclude the sponsored results, you can dial that in here. So if you want businesses 3 through to 8, you can target it this way. If you want to do the first 10 businesses, but also include, so 3 to 12, but also include business 15 and 16 for whatever reason, you can do that here. So you can very specifically dial everything in exactly how you want it. You can extract the reviews. I'll show this in a separate video because this is a separate feature in itself. It is one of the fastest review extractors out there on the market. There's no API calls. It scrapes everything live, and we can do up to about 1,000 reviews in under 3 to 4 minutes. But what I want to show you today is how you can process the products and services, the Q&A, or the business information. Now, the business information can be used as a lead scraper as well, just by ticking this button right here, or ticking this checkbox, which will grab the socials and the email from the business itself, so whatever's on their contact page or homepage, and include that as part of the results. So just to show you quickly, if I want to get results 3 to 12, all you have to do is press start the extraction. You're going to see that we've got 10 businesses being processed, and it's already done. So you can copy that. You can download it either as a CSV export, or you can copy it in tab separated format, which is the Google Sheets format. And if you want to just see all of that information quickly, a quick launch toolbar has a tool which will let you launch a new sheet just like that. It's already pasted. And you can see all of the information here, the position they were in the pack, the name, address, all the NAP stuff. This is not actually an error. There is a number under there in the international format, but because Google thinks of this, Google Sheets thinks of this as a formula, it throws up an error, but there is actual information there that you can use. So it's got all the good stuff like place ID, CID, etc. Lat long, the main category. The main category is a little bit deceptive. They're not as good as what you get on maps. So use the maps scraper module for that. The main categories actually aren't available here, but you can see that you do have the emails and any social media that was available on the website itself. So you can use this as a lead scraper when targeting new businesses, or if you want to do some kind of reconnaissance for your category. Now, this does use a API call, so you do have to activate Places API and add it to the system, but you get up to 10,000 free API calls on the free Google Business tier, so it's basically a free operation. If you do anything more than 10,000, it's very, very cheap anyway. So that is the Google Places Scraper from SEO Time Machines.